Welcome to my course. You might have a question, how is it possible that you should be able to learn web development in just 10 days? Let me tell you, how is it possible? In practical web development, you don't really need to learn all the vocabularies of a language, and in practical we use very minimum elements of any language. In this course I use very different approach, so you are going to learn according to that, but at the minimum basic beginner level and essential things that you should be able to take and create your own static to dynamic website. The number one reason to enroll in my course is that if you are stuck at any point, you can simply pose the question and I will be there to help you, because you will find the instructors are not active in many top selling courses. What makes this course unique is you are going through step by step with a hand-on experience, and I will also be making some intentional mistakes and sometimes in non-intentional mistakes, so I will also solve them. And you will learn when there is a problem when you are learning and doing something, how do we tackle the problem and how do you solve it when you are working in a real time. You will create your own website from the start by using the HTML, and right after HTML you will convert the website to the PHP. You may wonder why PHP in the start. That is the reason this course is different, and you will understand when you will be going to PHP and you will not find it so hard. It is super simple. Right after PHP you will apply CSS style sheet to your website, and you will understand why you need to use CSS and what are the core elements of CSS. Once you understand the style sheet basic, you will transform your website to the responsive website for mobile, tablet and desktop. That will be interesting for you to convert your static site to the responsive site. Then you will go to the jQuery and apply the interactive operations so that you will understand why you should use jQuery and what are the functionality of jQuery. After this step I will take you back to the PHP, and then you will apply further PHP skills in your website to make it more dynamic. And with that you will also learn MySQL database, and I will teach you SQL language just like you can learn a plain English. Once you are done with the PHP MySQL, you will create your own custom admin panel for the basic operation and then apply the same thing for your PHP website, so that your dynamic website and your database and your PHP admin panel will work together. Once your website is done, I will take you to the basic of the domain name system. How do they work, how you can register a domain name, and how they are working with a web hosting server. So that will be very beneficial for you. After understanding the domain system, you will set up your free web hosting so that you can upload your own website that you created in this course and make it live so that you can show it to your friend or family. You will also learn how you can upload your website to the hosting server through browser or FTP software. Once your website is live, you will also learn some bonus practical techniques so that you can apply them to your own website, and they will also increase your further skills. After you are done with the practical bonus tip, you will want to know where to go next, right? For the purpose, I have placed some very good resources in the resources section that you can use, and you will know where to go for the intermediate level experience. Thank you. Don't think, just go and enroll in the course.